Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part of this one video. So I want to understand you the topic about the artificial intelligence with the example. Come to the laptop and open the Google Chrome and type the Google Flow. This is the artificial intelligence tool, artificial intelligence workflow. Google Flow AI Creative Studio for video and image. Click on it, the first link. You can see here. Click on the new project option. Click on it. And this is the main page of the Google Flow. So click on the all media option. Then come to the setting option. First of all, to manage the setting, click on the always option. Click on it. You can see here. And this is the ratio 16:9. Other ratio are also available. You can see here. I have selected the 16:9. I want to make one image. You can also make 2, 3, 4 image. Click on this one and you can see here. Click on the Nano Banana 2 option. Select it. Scroll down. You can see here. This is the image generation default and below is the video generation default. I select the 16:9 and you can also create one video, 2, 3, 4 and you should be selected the Omni Flash. You can see here and then click on the save button. Click on it and then copy paste the prompt here. You can see here. For the prompt, go to the, I have already saved the prompt from the ChatGPT. You can see here, this is the prompt about my character. You can see here, teacher, Ali, Amina. These three are character here. And this is the first prompt, image prompt. Copy the image prompt, you can see here. And this is the video motion prompt. Above is the image prompt, below is the motion, video motion prompt. Copy the image prompt first. You can see, copy it. And then come to the Google Flow and paste here. You can see here and click on the arrow button. It will create an image. It takes time, depend upon your internet speed. You can see here, this is the three character, one teacher, one is the girl and another one is the boy. And how to download it? Click on the three dots. You can see here and click on the download. You can see download is available 1K and 2K. I want to download in 1K. You can see here the image has been downloaded. Now come to the plus button to save this picture. Click on plus button. You can see here this is the picture has been saved. Click on the prompt option and then copy the video motion prompt. You can see here below is the dialogue in the Urdu language. Copy and come to the Google Flow and paste here and then click on the arrow button. It will create the image with your dialogue. You can see here the image has been created with your dialogue. Dialogue is in the Urdu language. Assalamu alaikum बच्चों, आज हम वुजू सीखेंगे, वुजू के बारे में. वालेकुम अस्सलाम, मैं बहुत excited हूँ. This is the Urdu language. You can see here. I have created first of all the image, then created the image with the dialogue, and you can save it. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you and I have used the AI tool. Which one tool? The Google Flow tools. I have created one image and another image with the dialogue. I have created two images. One image is sample image, another one image is with the dialogue. You have seen it. So if you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.